I have a boyfriend who loves me and I love him. He doesn't have a lot of money, but he's seeking for halal marriage. My family has educated me to degree level. So how am I supposed to go about it?
First of all, we have to look at this relationship. Is it something that Allah is pleased with, or is it something that Allah is angry? Which one? The first or the latter? I'm not hearing the sister. The latter. So this relationship is totally haram, prohibited, and Allah is angry because you are doing a sinful act. Now, you're stupid because the man doesn't have money. He's unable to marry you, and you're still hanging by a thread, hoping a miracle happens. This boy is a dog, and you are his bone. So he is playing with you until he's fed up. He will leave you and go for something more lucrative and more delicious. If you enjoy being treated as a doormat and people wiping their feet on you every time they come and go, I can't help you. So come back to Islam, open your eyes, have your dignity. Imagine if Sheikh Assim, who's me, just in case you did not know, imagine if Sheikh Assim were to know that this sister is the one who's asking the question. How would you feel? Sheikh, I'm embarrassed. No, I don't want anyone to know. Why? Oh, if Sheikh Assim knows, I will kill myself. Okay, Sheikh Assim is nothing. Allah knows. How do you feel? Oh, it's okay. Allah knows. He knows everything. It's okay. Sheikh Assim, no, I can't stand the pressure, Sheikh. Fear Allah. What you're doing is something that angers Allah, tarnishes your reputation. Everyone in the community, if they were to know, they will slander your father, look down at your sisters and say, they are the family of that slut who had a boyfriend. This is a disgrace. A woman with dignity would not go that level, and Allah knows best.